How to use Notion templates. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Notion templates as a complete beginner and get started with Notion.so to get more productive. So let's get into it. First, what you need to do is you're going to go to Notion.so and you will land on this website right here. Notion is an amazing platform that allows you to create your own projects. You can create your own tasks and take notes. With Notion, we will be able to collaborate with our team and get, of course, more productive and creative. So, first, you need an account on Notion so you can get started for free. Signing up process is going to be really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or using your email address. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Notion.so, this is where you will land. I already use Notion, so you can see I have different pages here. We have different projects. But as a complete beginner, or if you want to know how to use templates, so we will actually start everything from the scratch. Here you will get all of the different options. You have our theme spaces, then we have our pages, and then we have our different projects. So you can click on the new page option here and it will allow you to create a new page like this. Then we have theme spaces right here, all theme spaces. So what we need to do is we can click on new page here and give our page a name and then select a template, or you will get the template option right here. If you scroll down under your private pages, you have templates. So we're going to open up the templates and let me show you the template gallery we have on Notion. So these are all the templates available on Notion. The list is actually pretty long. First, we have a to-do list, then we have project and task, sprints, meetings, and document. These are going to be the simple ones. Then we have for design. In design, you will be getting design portfolios, brainstorms, use research database. Then we have others. Then we have life for a simple daily lifestyle. To organize your lifestyle, you can go for these templates. We have reading list, habit tracker, simple budget, weekly to-do list, or a travel planner. And of course, there are more. Then we have product management. So for product management, we have presentations, we have product wiki, 101 notes, and more. Then we have engineering, marketing. In marketing, we have brand assets, social media calendars, blog editorial calendar, content calendar, and more. In HR, we will be getting employee benefits, interview guide, recurring trackers, company home. In sales, we have sales CRM, sales asset, competitive analysis, and more. In support, we have help center product FAQs. And in student, we have student dashboard, class notes, course schedule, grade calculator, and kernel notes too. So now what you can do is it depends on you why you're using Notion. If you're using Notion as a student, you will scroll all the way down to the student section here and you will find a bunch of different templates to go for. You can see we have like more than 10 here. After that, if you work in HR, you can go to the HR section and select your template. For me, I will be selecting a simple to-do list template and show you how to use it. So you select the template from here. For instance, I have selected this one. It shows you the preview. You will be able to see this is what it looks like. We will have our task. I can scroll down to check more. Now you have to click on Get Template and it will be added to your page here. So this is the template that we just selected. With a template, we don't get a lot. We can work on it and customize it. So it's actually really easy. Now I'll just actually get rid of the menu here and we'll just customize our template that we got. So with the template, I'm getting a task name, different, sections already created. We have an assignee and due. So the first thing that I like to do is we can add a cover and then we can change the icon and the name for our template. So I'll quickly add a cover, change the icon and name. So let's do that. We can select the emojis and the icons and we can also change the color. So you can see I have customized it a little bit. We can also add a description. After that, we have the view. So we can change the view. This is the view we have list. Then we can switch to a board view. We can go with mine or upcoming. So I like to go with a board view on Notion. So I'll just stick to this one. And after that, we can add different sections to it. So the sections that we got with the template are not started, in progress, done, and that's it. So what I will do is I will actually add more to it. So I'm going to actually switch to, so we can change these. We have not started. So I'm going to change this one. We'll click on these three dots. So I'll switch to the all here. And so we can add some of the more statuses here. And we can add more columns. Click on this plus button here. And then we have priority and more. So I'm going to add priority. So I can add these by myself. I didn't get this with the template. Then we have a description. We have reporter, text, select, status, date, person, and more. So let's go with the status as well. Then I'm going to add another here, which is going to be the tags. So you can see we can add different types of fields to our tasks right here. Once the fields are added, now if I switch to the board view, you will be able to see we have different statuses here, and we also have in the list view. So these are the tasks that are already added. Now we need to customize these. So you open up a already created task that we got with the template, and you change it to the task that you want to add. So I'll just simply change the task's name here, and then we will change the fields here. So you can change your tasks like this that you got with the template. You can also add in new tasks. So you just enter new task here and write whatever you want to. So once the task is created, you can open it up on Notion. So after that, we can now add different properties that we had. We have the status. So in status, what I will do is I'll go with maybe not started yet. Then we have an assignee, so we can assign it to maybe myself, or if you want to go for another team member, you can do that. How to invite a team member? You can just click on this share option at the top and you will be able to invite them. Now we have different tags, and in tags we can create these tags ourselves, or we can add them from here. Then we have a comment here, priority. So in priority, I'm going to go with high, and then we have a due date that we can add. So these are the different things we can do within a task on Notion. We can also add different icons to a task. We can add different, we can upload files here. And this way I will have this list created very easily with the help of a template that we went for. So the template is actually pretty simple looking, but we can customize it the way we want to. We have these three dots right here that also allow you to change the style of your page that you got. We can create sub items. We have log database and more. Then we have this new here. In new, you will be able to add more templates here. You will be able to add different tasks and everything. So you can customize a template really easily on Notion.so, and you can explore from hundreds of different templates available that will allow you to create a very productive workspace for yourself on Notion. The templates that we get on Notion are completely free, and you will be able to avail all of the different tools and all of the different things here. Let me show you some of the other templates really quickly. For instance, you want to go for a travel planner, so it will look something like this. You will get a schedule, a map, photo wall, everything right here. Then if you want to use a template for human resources, we have a recruiting tracker here. So what happens here is you will be getting a all of these boards. We have quarters, teams, hiring manager. You can assign them different tasks and you will be able to use the template. Then as a student, we have a student dashboard here as a template. So within a student dashboard, you will be able to take notes, upload documents, keep track of your homework and your schedule, courses and classes, everything right here. So these are the different templates on a Notion, and using a template is really easy, just the way I showed you. You can select the template and customize it. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.